You spend time planting, watering, and waiting. And just when your flowers start looking good, they're gone. But what if you could grow blooms that don't quit? Flowers that show up in summer and stick around till the very first frost, without constant care. These 8 annuals are hiding in plain sight. They bloom longer, shine brighter, and ask for almost nothing in return. Let's uncover the secret behind the longest blooming flowers for a garden that just won't stop. Zinnia is the ultimate workhorse of summer gardens. These bold, vibrant flowers bloom nonstop from early summer until the cold sets in. They come in nearly every color, from cheerful yellows to deep reds, and they're drought-tolerant too. Petunias are show-offs in the best possible way. From late spring till frost, they explode with trumpet-shaped blooms in pinks, purples, reds, and whites. They thrive in full sun, love being fed every few weeks, and bounce back beautifully after a mid-season trim. If you're looking for flower power and pest control in one, marigolds are your answer. These golden blooms last from early summer to fall, glowing in yellow, orange, and rust tones. Whether you choose French or African types, they're tough, heat-loving, and even edible. Just don't expect a sweet flavor. Celosia don't just bloom, it puts on a show. With flames, fans, or coral-like crests, these flowers grab attention from summer till frost. They love heat, tolerate poor soil, and even make stunning dried arrangements. In some cultures, their seeds and leaves are part of traditional dishes. Yes, they're edible. Lantana is a butterfly magnet that doesn't know when to quit. From spring to frost, it keeps pumping out color-changing blooms in bright shades. Hot sun, dry soil, neglect, it thrives. But keep it away from kids and pets. The berries are toxic. Verbena delivers nonstop clusters of blooms in bold shades of purple, pink, and red. It doesn't care if it's hot, dry, or even salty. This flower survives it all. Use upright types in beds and trailing ones in baskets. Want even more blooms? Pinch the tips early in the season. Cosmos brings effortless charm with its daisy-like flowers dancing on airy stems. They bloom from early summer until frost and don't mind poor soil at all. Bees, butterflies, and birds love them, and they make stunning cut flowers for your home. Salvia is a powerhouse bloomer with tall spikes in bold reds, purples, and blues. It's deer-resistant, pest-proof, and attracts hummingbirds like a magnet. Just deadhead the old blooms and watch it push out new color week after week. Want a garden that never stops blooming? These 8 annuals are the secret. Pick your favorites, plant them right, and enjoy flowers till frost. No stress, no surprises. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe and like the video. We've got more no-nonsense gardening tips coming your way.